Extra rinse on your washing machine. What is it? How to use it? When do we use it? Today I'm going to explain it all. First off, extra rinse is essentially another rinse cycle that you place at the very end of your washing program. So your washing program generally goes through, agitation, rinsing, cleaning your clothes, and at the end of your washing machine program there will be a rinse cycle. This is essentially to rinse out any remaining detergent or other cleaning products that you may have added. Also, of course, dirt if there is any left. So having another extra rinse on top of this final rinse that is standard in the program essentially gives your washing machine more time to clean out any remaining residue or dirt that may find itself in your clothes. Now, obviously, this is going to add additional time to your wash. On my washing machine, it takes half an hour. On some washing machine it can be shorter, maybe 15 minutes or something like that. That being said, that of course makes your washing machine spend more electricity, and also it's going to use more water. Now, it's not the worst in use of electricity, depending on how hot temperature you go with your washes. If you do a cold water wash, it's not very bad at all to use this electricity wise, and also you don't need to add any detergent or other cleaning products at this point, since the main goal of this is just to get out any remaining residue, right? So instances where this may be very useful is, for example, if you have very sensitive skin and your skin may react badly to detergent, then having this extra rinse at the end of your washing programs is really nice. Also for babies that naturally have pretty sensitive skin, it's very useful. Now, another very cool use case for the extra rinse is in case, say you're a restaurant worker or maybe a mechanic, somebody who works with a lot of oil, you get grease, other types of stuff stuck to your clothes. Perhaps you do a lot of sports and your clothes start stinking from sweat after heavy use. In this case, having an extra rinse is also really nice, because then you can add some really heavy duty detergent to your wash. Usually these are a little bit harder to get out of the garments. Also, they usually take a lot of time to work to get all the grime and other stains out of your garments. Now, not only will this extra rinse help wash out any remaining detergent or whatever in your wash, but it will also help to give it a final little bit of a cleaning, just rinse it a little bit extra there. Also, another really good use case for extra rinse in case you have really thick garments, say for example towels or some thick jeans. In these cases, sometimes the detergent can fasten itself inside the actual garments, so having the extra rinse is going to be really useful to just flush it out. Also, if you use too much detergent, and you shouldn't use too much detergent, but if you do, and you see that it's not totally gone at the end of the cycle, just popping on an extra rinse cycle there will help further wash out the detergent from your clothes. Now, this is very different from pre-wash, as I'm sure you realize. We did a video on that last week. If you didn't check that out, you can do it next. And that pre-wash is more of something you put at the start of your program, right? And here you can add, for example, stain removers or whatever you want to help kind of pre-treat your garments before it goes into the main program. Now, this extra rinse will be at the other end of the program, and it's essentially just for washing out products. Some people may mistake extra rinse with final rinse. Final rinse is just the regular rinse that is in the normal program that you use. Extra rinse, double rinse, it's the same thing, just loved children has multiple names, as we say here in Norway. So you pretty much have to decide yourself whether you want to use extra rinse or not. I'm a big fan of it. If you didn't watch my other tutorials on how to wash your clothes, I'm gonna add one here on how to remove stains from your clothes. Also, I have this big playlist now on how to use your washing machine, all the settings. Subscribe if you're into that, and yeah, I'll see you over in the next one.